Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make dough art. So we are going to roll these 3 doughs and make lines on it using comb. Now we are going to cut them into half from the tail portion and now press all of them using 2 sticks like this. Here we are making fishes. Look at the fins, it's done. After this we are going to combine all of them and we are going to hold them from the center. You will get 6 such shapes. Now we are going to add more details like this. We are making these lines on it using an object. Now we are going to paste the eyes and it is looking 6 fishes and put a cherry at the center. We are going to make dough art, so fold the dough like we are doing here and make a shape like this. Now hold it from its center. Now cut it from its top. Here we are making 2 swans, so we are going to make the beak by picking it like this. Now take a scissor and cut the shape like this, how we are doing here. Then we are going to make lines on it using the same scissor like this. Now we are going to make more cuts from the top of it like this. Then again we are going to paste its eyes like this and then take another dough and make cuts on it. Then we are going to put it at the center. Here we are making a flower, put a cherry on the top, and look, your artwork is ready. Roll the dough and make an oval shape and cut it from its sides like this. Here we are making a dog shape, look like this. Now roll it and fold it. Now we are going to get shape to the ears. Similar way we are going to use the bamboo sticks and make its nose like we are doing here. Paste its 2 eyes, its nose, its tongue, and look, your dog face is ready. Roll a dough and make a circle. Now we are going to make 3 cuts from all 4 sides like this using scissors or knife. Now we are going to fold it and make the edge pointy using fingers like this from its all 4 sides. Again we are going to fold remaining cuts like this. Now paste 2 eyes on all the 4 figures. Cut it and make the beak like this using scissors. After this we are going to roll 4 such circles and cut it from the center. We are also making lines using comb. Now combine all of them together and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Put it at the center, put a cherry on the top, and your dough artwork is ready. Roll this dough and make 6 cuts like this. Now remove the top and bottom portion. After this, cut it using a scissor. Now take a comb and press it at the base of it. Now make 2 cuts as well. Now we are going to make fishes here. So we are going to hold it from the bottom and press it using 2 sticks. Again we are making the fins of the fishes by comb and also cutting it from the top using scissors. Similar way we are going to press the top here and make small lines on it using this object. Do the same from all the 5 fishes like this. After that, paste black eyes like we're doing here. Now we are going to fold them and make a circle. Now cut 4 circles and fold it and make semicircles. Then we are going to put all of them one after another. Roll them by putting a cherry at the center. Now open the petals. Your flower is ready. Put it at the center and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.